What's up everybody, it's me Sergio, I'm with Mobility Direct. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to review the Jazzy Carbon 27. It's made by Pride Mobility, one of the most well-known manufacturers in the mobility space. Now I'm not going to tell you everything about this chair, I'm going to tell you what makes it special, what I like about it, what I don't like about it, and towards the end of the video, I'm going to put the full specification list on the screen for you to review at your own pace. Now keep in mind, somewhere throughout this video, I am going to put a hidden message on the screen. The first 20 people to spot it get access to an exclusive discount code, so pay attention. Hopefully you spot it. With that being said, what I love about the Jazzy Carbon 27 is the 27.7 pounds that it weighs. Now, for those of you who like to travel like me, I will say that it is very easy to fold and unfold. Removing the battery pack is super easy too, which brings the weight down to that 27.7 pounds. And for being so remarkably lightweight, it can hold up to 300 pounds, which is kind of crazy if you think about it. This is made with an aircraft grade carbon fiber, which is dyed in either a dark red or a dark blue. Both really great color options, which I'm going to throw on the screen for you to see. Now I will tell you, this thing has really powerful motors and really nice electronics on it. We've tested this thing outdoors and it performs much better than its cousin, the 27X, which only holds 275 pounds. It is lighter and a bit easier to load and unload into a vehicle. It folds like a traditional manual wheelchair, whereas this has the standard suitcase folding design. Both great options, both released in 2026 by Pride Mobility. I love it, especially this model, which has the mesh back seat, because in some humid states during the summer months, that's a game changer. You want to have some airflow on the backrest. Now it does come with a state-of-the-art joystick with a puddle light on the front, 5 different speed modes, and a very ergonomic joystick handle. Now this is one of the few folding power wheelchairs in its class that's going to have front coil-over suspension springs, giving you a nice smooth ride even when you're going on various terrain types. Now I'm going to point out one of the cons, which honestly it doesn't even struggle with that bad, but going on things like grass, mulch, or other soft surfaces other than hard compact pavement, you might notice it struggling a little bit if you weigh close to its maximum weight capacity. Now for those of you who are around 200 or below, you'll probably experience better performance going on grass, mulch, and inclines. But it is a travel folding power wheelchair, which is designed to be extremely lightweight, so it is going to have smaller components, smaller motors, smaller tires. With that being said, I think the combination of power and weight capacity is perfect with the Jazzy Carbon 27. Now the seat is 17 by 17 inches, and by the way, if you want to learn more about our other products, claim a copy of our free product catalog. All you have to do is go to our website, mobilitydirect.com, click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog, fill out the simple short form that you're seeing on the screen now, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. You can also call the number below or just click on the top right-hand corner of the screen where it says get free catalog. It'll take you straight to the form. So the cushion is 17 by 17 inches and it is easily removable. You can probably put your own aftermarket cushion if you'd like, which is nice. It does come with a seat belt as well. Pretty good padding on the cushion there. Not bad. And it does have a little cargo bag down here to carry your charger and a spare battery if you decide to get one. The battery's right underneath the seat, comes out with a handle very easily, and has a very generous foot space here on the footplate. The footplate is textured, so it's not like gonna slip right off like previous models that were a bit too sleek on the finish. I like that they did that there. You'll notice it comes dressed with reflectors throughout, so it's gonna be visible at nighttime. By the way, the armrests do flip up. There's just an orange button that you'll see. And you can move the joystick from the left to the right. It's super easy to do. There's just a little hand screw here that you release, pull it out, disconnect it, reroute the wire, and slide it into the other armrest. Nothing to it. Now, by the way, folks, I do want to personally say thank you so much for watching our videos and supporting the channel. Did you know that part of every sale goes towards funding our next giveaway? That's right, folks. We give away power wheelchairs and mobility scooters to people in need all the time. So if you know someone that needs a mobility device or you need one, consider shopping at Mobility Direct or telling a friend about our YouTube channel. Share this video on your Facebook. Spread the word. Together, we can make a difference. Now, one thing that you may not know is that the Jazzy Carbon HD share the same motor system as the standard Jazzy Carbon 27. So that means you're gonna get a lot of power out of these little motors, even though they're small looking. Looks can be deceiving. I'm gonna show you some of the outdoor shots we took earlier so you can see for yourself that this is a powerful power wheelchair. Now again, folks, I'm not gonna go over every single little thing, but I am gonna put the specs on the screen here soon before we part ways. I do wanna let you know that we do answer every single question in our comment section within 1 business day. So if you have a question, post a comment below. We'll personally respond, again, in 1 business day. Now, we appreciate you watching our videos all the way through. Your viewership means the world to us. We couldn't do it without you. Again, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. Look forward to seeing you at our next video, which is going to be awesome. We're going to compare all the different top selling folding power wheelchairs of 2026 and do a little torture test for each one. So stay tuned. We'll see you in the next one.